As you can see, what we're doing is washing down the float today using our Hydrocell portable pressure washer. No need for a hose or 240. We've got it all here. 6 metres of cable. Put your own water in it. It's 12 volt. You can charge it with 240 or run it off 12. Perfect for washing the float down or in fact your horse. You can go to a fine mist spray or a hard jet, but the Hydrocell is the perfect answer to washing all your gear on site.
No space to rent in this town, you're out of luck. And the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck.